This noodle awesome. That's what you people say this day? Awesome. Yeah, man. It's cool, yo. Nói cool, huh? Nói noodle always special. Now let's cooking. This one says beef, but today I'm doing the chicken. You know, Nói not follow the rule. Now my pan is hot. I'm gonna add some oil. I like to have good stir-fry noodle because easy every night a week. You go eat too much where the Uber eat. You should make Nói eat. Better. Pan is hot. I'm gonna add some onion. Oh, the scissors. Now I'm gonna add chicken. Stir it up. I like to get nice color in my chicken. Looking good. I got the pan nice and hot. Today I'm using chicken breast. You can use any kind of meat you want. Or just vegetable. Up to you. Now my chicken is color is good. Now I'm gonna add some capsicum. Maybe you call bell pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna add my noodle. I use the rice chicken noodle today. You can use any noodle you like. Or you can use the spaghetti, is good. Now mix it up a little bit. Now add the sauce. Actually this one marinade, but I use like a stir fry. Pour that sauce. Now the flavor. Give a little noodle a toss. Look at that. Add a little bit more. Dry noodle will soak up the sauce. You don't have to add anything else. Only eat one sauce. Now serve it up. Oh, so good. So quick. Nói garlic pepper noodle. Now a little bit spring onion on top. Look at that. Another winner from Nói. Nói make all the noodle better. You will see. I hope you like it.